My name is Bert Archon. I am an ASC certified master tech for over 30 years, a California smog check technician for over 29 years, and an advanced L1 certified for over 22 years. I'm the general manager and shop foreman here at German Auto Center in San Diego. Here at German Auto Center, we specialize in German cars, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Mini, Audi, Volkswagen, and of course, Porsche. We perform pre and post scans on every vehicle that visits our shop. Out of all the scan tools we own, the iSCAN is hands down our favorite scan tool to use to reset service lights and perform pre and post vehicle scans. iSCAN is a compact powerhouse. The price point has enabled us to have one iSCAN SF for each of our service techs. The SOD support on demand pay-as-you-go helps minimize our costs and increase profits. The native software programming function enables us to code and program certain BMW and Mercedes modules with zero out-of-pocket expenses. That saves us time and money. The support we receive and the continuous tool updates tells me iSCAN cares about their customers and is constantly improving the tool. And their partnerships with technical support groups like LMV, CRTechs, and Diagnation helps us diagnose our customers' vehicles properly. It makes our job easier, and it's great having a partner like iSCAN.